Here we got us a little test. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We're going to find out if this motor will survive for exploding record roulette. Comm bars are just all pitted and arced. It's a Dyson motor, apparently pretty badly abused, but I don't know, so far it's holding up to, it'll go up to about 45, maybe 50 volts before it starts to arc really bad, and I know it won't last long at those voltages, but it seems to hold together okay at anything below 40, which is still pretty darn fast. So that's 20. Oh, I remember that noise. So that blew on its way to 30. Oh. Took this one with it. When they ring those golden bells by the evangelist. So yeah, I'd say we've got a few pops in our future coming up, and that maybe once again Luscious Lori can enter the arena and prove that she is tough. I'll damage the sheet of leather I have. So I don't know how long we'll survive, but we'll give it a try.